Okay guys, so if you're unable to change your passcode on your Apple Watch, there's a quick fix for it. So you see for me all this stuff is grayed out. So what you want to do is on your iPhone, you're going to go into your settings. Scroll down some and you're going to press on screen time. So right here, content and privacy restrictions, press that. So for me, you see it's turned on. So when I go down right here, you see allow changes to passcode and Face ID. Press that. So what you have to do here is just press allow. Just give it a sec. Let's go back to passcode, it should work. Yep, there you go. So what you can do guys is go ahead and turn this on. So set up very quickly. Right now if you want you can set the setting back to where you had it. Okay guys, thanks for watching.